Okay, I have the Ohuhu solar-powered bird bath fountain pump right here. That is the box. And I'm opening it for the first time. Directions and specs, I'm assuming. Let me see. Assembly directions and package content. You can see. Specification, features, installation, caution, I can read. Declaration, guaranteed for 1 year. Ohuhu is really great at guaranteeing their products for 12 months. I have to give them that. I probably have over 50 Ohuhu items in my house, and I still don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. So, alright, let's see what's in this baggie. Yeah, there's a bunch of little things that are plastic. Okay, so there's that. Alright. Nice. Okay, so it's got some padding on the back. And this is very nice. Now look at that though. It's so scratched up. What is with that? That looks like it's been scraped across the floor. Badly. Aw. I'm disappointed. I know it's still gonna work. I mean, there's really no big obstruction on it, but I can feel the scratches in it. Well, yeah. There's pieces of glue coming off of it too. Alright, so apparently you can use this in pools, anything in your garden with water, or an aquarium. And it's an automatic operation. So as long as this part, that mine is very scratched up, I'm so sad, gets enough sunlight, then it's going to work just fine. These, I'm assuming, just go on here. Yes. Man. Okay, so this must... No. Okay, so this goes on... No. Okay. I should probably read the directions further before I embarrass myself here. So, okay. So it looks like the attachments go on like that. So, maybe another piece. Yes. We are getting somewhere. I don't ever read directions. I mean, come on. People do that. Usually I only read the directions if I feel like I can't get anywhere with the product. I'm sure that's not the right way. But anyways, this is a 4-nozzle spray design. It's floating or submerged. So this can be completely submerged or it will float, apparently. I don't know. I haven't tried it yet. I will try to update here in about a week after I use it and make sure that it does work because of all of the scratches and scuffs on the top. Now, Ohuhu does offer a 12-month warranty on all of their products, and even though I did receive this in exchange for my honest review, I could call in there or email, whatever, and probably get another one or get it replaced, even though I didn't pay anything for it. So, you know, it's a bummer, but we're going to see if it works. This thing is totally cool. I have 2 fountains out in my yard, and I do have an aquarium, and I have a garden with water in it. So, oh, and I have a bird bath. Duh. So, I'm definitely going to try this out and get back with you and let you know how it works. So, again, this is the Ohuhu solar-powered bird bath fountain pump. I'm sorry I shake that around. When I talk, I use my hands. I just can't keep them still. So, there you go. You can see the product.